Spanning a beautifully proportioned footprint of 33 by 41 feet, this Tuscan-inspired villa rises majestically from the rolling, sun-drenched hills. The exterior is a breathtaking vision of warm peach stucco, classic terracotta roofs, and a striking belvedere tower, all connected by winding stone pathways. Surrounded by towering cypress trees and manicured gardens overflowing with vibrant lavender, the home perfectly captures the romantic grandeur of a Mediterranean estate. Measuring an expansive 34 by 43 feet, this stunning Mediterranean retreat stands as a testament to timeless architecture. The exterior features sweeping terracotta roofs, an inviting arched loggia draped in vibrant bougainvillea, and a beautifully layered landscape. Grand stone staircases guide you through terraced gardens filled with blooming agapanthus and manicured cypress trees, creating an entryway that is as majestic as it is welcoming. Step inside to experience an atmosphere of unparalleled opulence, where rich textures and deep autumnal hues create a truly regal sanctuary. Grandeur is woven into every detail, from the majestic wooden beamed ceilings and striking copper fixtures to the ornate tapestries and classic arched windows framing the hills beyond. Whether relaxing in the velvet-draped living spaces, exploring the stately home library, or unwinding by the fire on the wisteria-shaded loggia, you are enveloped in a world of majestic sophistication.